studied in game theory is the how to solve the game, whether it is 2x2 game or 2x3 game, 3x4 game, whatever may be the game. You have studied how to solve the problem. So what is the solution of the game? That you wanted to calculate saddle point, because you know saddle point is the solution of the game. Solution of the game. After that, I said you may find such problem where you will not always be able to calculate the saddle point. That means if any game comes in your examination, game theory or problem of game comes, from where you will not be able to calculate saddle point. So how will you solve that game? How will you solve that game? Today we will discuss that. So game solution of game without saddle point. Solution of game. Solution of game without saddle point. So far what you have learned, that is saddle point. You have learned how to get the saddle point, and saddle point is the solution of the game. Today you will be learning, if there is no saddle point, if saddle point is not there, how will you solve the game? So if you find a game where saddle point is not or indeterminate, saddle point cannot be calculated, then you have to apply mixed strategy. Mixed strategy. There is one criteria you have to remember always. In case of mixed strategy, the game must be 2x2 game. Game must be 2x2 game. In case of mixed strategy, when we apply the mixed strategy, here also as per the saddle point using the maximin and minimax principle, first you need to verify that game whether saddle point is arising or not, saddle point you are getting or not. If you get saddle point through maximin principle or minimax principle, then it is okay, you are getting the solution. If you do not get, means maximin is not equal to the minimax, then you have to apply the mixed strategy. Mixed strategy. So in case of mixed strategy, you need to apply those game in put those game in the formula. So first I will derive the formula. If whoever will be able to derive, you derive. Otherwise, you will have to remember that formula. Say there are two players. Say there are two players. Player A, PLAY, player A and player B. Player A and player B. Player A has X strategies, and player B has Y strategies. So X will assume the probabilities X1 and X2. Say for example, in case of 2x2 game, X1 and X2. And Y will assume the probabilities Y1 and Y2. The probabilities Y1 and Y2. And by the property of probability you have learned in your first and second semester, the sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. Sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. So X1 plus X2 is equal to 1 and Y1 plus Y2 is equal to 1. Now let us assume or consider a 2x2 game. For example, the 2x2 game I am showing you here. This is 2x2 game. This is a matrix. Player A and player B. Say the strategies. Say for example R1, R2 strategies, and here instead of X1, and here the C1, C2 means R1 row, R2 row, C1 column 1, column 2. Now here you know this is A11 first cell, A11 first column, first row, first column A11. This is A12 first row, second column, that is why A12. Then second row first column A21 and second row second column A22. So those are the payoffs. Player A and player B. Player A. Row 1, row 2 we have written here, column 1, column 2 we have written here, and the payoffs we have written in this matrix. This is 2x2 matrix, because 2 row and 2 columns, 2x2 matrix. So the payoffs are given in terms of A. So first, in the first cell, what payoff? that payoff represents as it is the cell representing first row and first column. So A11. This cell is the representative of first row and the second column. So A12. This cell is the representative of second row and first column. So A21. And this cell, fourth cell, is the representative of second row and second column. A22. Now, as we assume player A wins and player B loses, so player A want to maximize his gain. So the player A want to maximize its gain and player B wants to minimize his loss. So the expected gain of player A will be A11 x1 plus A21 x2. A11 x1 because A11, this is player A, this is the strategy, So A11 x1 is the probabilities of x, and x1 x2, those are two other probabilities. So A11 x1 and A21 x2, and another strategy will be there, A12 x1 plus A22 x2. So A11 into x1 is the probability. Here A21 x2 x2 is the probability, and here A12 x1 is the probability. A22 x2 is the probability. So when B, if we consider the expected payoffs of player B, since player B will be losing, the expected loss, we have to expected loss of player B. Expected loss of player B will be equal to A11 y1 plus A12 y2 and A21 y1 plus A22 y2. So those are the expected gain and expected loss. Now you see, since player A wants to maximize its gain, so if we consider the value of the game is equal to V, so in that case, player A, A11 x1 plus A21 x2 must be greater than equal to V. So either, since, because every entrepreneur wants to maximize its profit, or wants to maximize its gain. So here, since the expected gain of player A is A11 x1 plus A21 x2, so it will be either equal to the value of the game or more of the value of the game. So in second case also, this is another expectation of player B. So this will also be greater than equal to V. But in case of player B, since player B will be losing, it is similar to the minimization of cost. So player B will try to minimize loss. Since player B will try to minimize loss, therefore the expected loss A11 y1 plus A12 y2 will be less than equal to V. And second case also, similarly, it will be less than equal to V. So we get here two sets of equation. In first sets, there are two equations. One is A11 x1 plus A21 x2 greater than equal to V, and A12 x1 plus A22 x2 greater than equal to V. Say for example, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. So from equation 1 and 2 you see A11 x1 plus A21 21 x2 greater than yes, greater than equal to b, and a12 x1 plus a22 x2 greater than equal to b, though they are greater or equal. So we may consider equality part. If we consider the equality part from equation number 1 and 2, then we get from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we get a11 x1 a11 x1 plus a21 x2 equal to a12 x1 plus a22 x2. Now x1 you take in left side, a11 or a11 minus a12 in the bracket x1 is equal to a22 minus a21 x2. Again,
Please describe the justify that equation. Explain that equation. How did that came?
let me solve this. After that, again, I shall repeat. Okay. Let me solve this. Otherwise, I'll be in the middle. So a22, first x1 and x2 I have to get. Then I shall again explain, and your queries also I shall give you the answer. A22 minus a21 into x2 equal to x1 plus x2 equal to 1. So x2 equal to 1 minus x1, 1 minus x1 now is equal to a22 minus a21 minus a22 x1 plus a21 x1. Then or a11 minus a12, this side if it comes, plus a22 minus a21 into x1 into x1 into x1 is equal to a22 minus a21 minus a21. Then x1 is equal to, if you arrange it, x1 is equal to a22 minus a21 divided by a11 plus a22 minus, just this is just simplification, okay, a21 plus a12. So you are getting the value of x1. Similarly, if you simplify this, simplification not showing here, if you simplify, you will get x2 is equal to 1 minute. X2 equal to, if you simplify, you will get x2 equal to A11 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 plus A12. So you have got x1, you have got x2. Similarly, in case of B, in case of player B, if you equate the loss of both the players, then you are getting A11 y1 plus A12 y2 less than equal to B. So equal to is there, and another equation A21 y1 plus A22 y2 less than equal to B. So if we make equal A21 y1 plus A22 y2, Now, if you solve y1 and y2, here you will get y1 equal to A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 A12. This is y1. Then you will also get, you have to solve y2 equal to A11 minus A21 by A11 plus A22 minus A21 plus A12. Then the value of B, so you have written, you will find that A11 plus y1 plus A12 y2 equal less than equal to B and greater than equal to B. 4 equations you have got. In any equation you put the value of B and you will get the value of B is equal to A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 plus A12. So you see you are getting 5 equations. So in 5 equations you are getting the value of x1, you are getting the value of x2, you are getting the value of y1, you are getting the value of y2, and you are getting the value b. So the strategies like in case of when settle point arises, you got A1 B1, A2 B3, B3 B4, B3 A4, or A2 B3, like the strategies you got. So here x1 x2 you are getting, x1 x2 you are getting the strategies, y1 y2 you are getting the strategies, and the settle point you are getting as the value of the game. Here value of the game B you are getting. So in case of such type of problem where there is no settle point, means settle point is not arising by the maximum or maximin or minimax principle, you need to apply the mixed strategy. Remember that mixed strategy will be applicable only when the matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Only when the matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. So in that case, 2 by 2 matrix, there are two players, player A and player B, and both the players are having the strategies, optimal strategies X and Y, and those strategies are assuming the probabilities x1 and x2, and sum of the probabilities you know by the property of probability is equal to 1. So x1 plus x2 equal to 1, and in case of Y, y1 and y2 equal to 1. After that what you are getting, that you are calculating the expected gain of player A and expected gain of player B. Since A wants to maximize, So the expected gain of player A will be greater than equal to B, and expected loss of player B will be less than equal to B. So less than equal to, if we ignore greater or less, if we consider simply the equality sign, so from equation 1 and equation 2, you are equating to each other. From there, you are getting the value of x1 and x2. And from again second set, you are equating y1 and y2 from the expected loss. And after equating those two equations, you are getting the value of y1 and y2. So strategies, optimal strategies you are getting for player A and B, and the value of the game B you are getting when you put the value of x1, x2, y1, y2 in any of those four equations, you are getting the value of B. So in such problem, you need to apply. Those of you are able to derive this formula is very good. Those of you are unable to derive, at least remember the formula. Otherwise, you will not be able to solve the problems through mixed strategy. Yes, let me ask now the question. I shall not ask now. I have already said. You please ask. Some of you ask the question. I won't ask. Ask first. After that, I shall give you one solution. Hello? Hello? Somebody ask the question. Hello? Hello, student.
Now or before I ask the question. So I have also
Yes. You please ask question.
I have got my answer, sir. Now no problem there.
Got the answer. Okay. Anybody else if you want to ask? Otherwise, I will show you one problem now. Let me repeat once again. In case of game theory, you always try to find out the value of the game through saddle point. But in some cases, you will not get the saddle point following the maximin or minimax principle. If you don't get maximin equal to minimax, that means saddle point will not arise, will not be determined from that particular game. Since saddle point is not arising, to solve the game, you need to apply the mixed strategy. But for mixed strategy, you need to remember the matrix must be 2 by 2 matrix. Matrix must be 2 by 2 matrix. But in case of, say here, you have not asked me the question. I expected this. If the matrix is not 2 by 2 matrix, suppose 3 by 4 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix has come in your examination and saddle point is also not coming. In that case, what will you do? You need to first apply maximin and minimax principle. If you don't get maximin equal to minimax, then you need to look for the mixed strategy. But for mixed strategy, there 2 by 2 matrix is required, but given matrix is 3 by 3 or 3 by 4 matrix. In that case, you need to apply another strategy. It's called the dominant strategy. So after following the dominance principle, you need to reduce the matrix into 2 by 2 matrix, and after that you can apply the mixed strategy only. The dominant strategy I shall discuss in the next class. So after that, when you are not getting solution through saddle point, means maximin is not equal to the minimax. In that case, what will happen? You need to follow the mixed strategy. For mixed strategy, remember the matrix must be 2 by 2 matrix. Two players, player A and player B. Player A is winning and player B is losing. Since player A is winning and player B is losing, so player A will try to gain up to the maximum level, try to maximize its gain, and player B will try to minimize his or her loss. So in that case, player A say assume that X strategy, player B assumes B strategy, and both the strategies are having the respective probabilities. X assumes x1 and x2 probability, and B assumes y1 and y2 probability. By the property of probability, you know the sum of the probability is equal to 1. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 1 and y1 plus y2 equal to 1. Next, you need to consider the 2 by 2 matrix. Say the payoffs are a11, a12, a22, a21, a22, and you have to derive the equations of player A for his expected gain. And the expected gain that equations you derive and is equal to greater than equal to 0 in case of equation 1 and 2. In case of player B, the expected loss equations, whatever you will derive, that will be less than equal to B, less than equal to B, less than equal to B. What I have drawn here, this is a11 x1, a11 x1 plus a21 x2 greater than equal to B, a12 x1 plus a22 x2 greater than equal to B. So here greater than, forget about, so equality you consider from considering those equality here, you are calculating the value of x1, calculating the value of x1 x1 equal to a22 minus a21 divided by a11 plus a22 minus a21 plus a12. So here you will find, in case of all the five formula, denominators are same, only the difference is coming in case of the numerator. So if you remember, once the denominator for all formula, denominator will be same, but numerator will only differ. So similarly, you will also get the value of x2. You will also get the value of x2. You will also get the value of x2. X2 is a11 minus a12 divided by the same denominator. And in case of equation 3 and 4, you are also getting y1 and y2. After that, out of those four equations, any one you put the value of b. So if you put the value of b, then you will get the formula of b. B is the solution of game. So you are getting x1, you are getting x2, you are getting y1, you are getting y2, and you are also getting b, the value of game. Now I shall show you one problem where there will be no settle point, and you need to follow the mixed strategy. 1 minute. Say the problem is solve the game 2 by 2 matrix, because unless it is 2 by 2, you will not be able to follow the mixed strategy. The game. So here player A, and this side player B, player A and player B. Here the strategies are, means row and column, R1, R2 or A1, A2, whatever, B1, B2. Now the payoffs are -2, 5, and here 7, here -6. See here, so first condition is fulfilled because this game is represented in a 2 by 2 matrix. Since it is a 2 by 2 matrix, so mixed strategy can be followed. But before that, we need to see whether saddle point is arising or not. So for saddle point, what we do, first row minima and column maxima. So minimax and maximin principle. Minimax and maximin principle. You can divide it into 4 cells, may not also, no problem. Row minimum. So first row minimum, row min. So from first row, -2 is the minimum element, and from the second row, -6 is the minimum element. So from minimum, you need to calculate the maximum. So here this is maximum element. So this 2 is the minimax value. Oh, sorry, this will not be minimax, it will be maximin. It is maximin. Maximin value. So maximin value. So you are getting maximin or minimax, no problem. Maximin value. So minimum, maximum from minimum, maximum from minimum. So here also from first column maximum 7 is the value, and here you are getting 5 is the maximum value, and then minimum out of maximum, so you are getting minimax value. So here, see here, maximin is not equal to minimax. Maximin is not equal to minimax. So saddle point SADDLE, saddle point does not arise. So saddle point does not arise. So this is the first part. So you need to check whether saddle point is there or not. Saddle point you are not getting. Since saddle point you are not getting, you need to follow the maximin. You need to follow the mix strategy. You will not have any problem to follow the mix strategy, because this game is represented in a 2 by 2 matrix. So therefore mixed strategy mixed strategy will be followed. Mixed strategy will be followed. Mixed strategy will be followed by or applied. Mixed strategy will be applied. So now you need to get the value of x1. You know the formula. X1 is equal to A22 minus A21, A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus whole A12 plus A21. So how will you calculate A22? A22 is minus 6. Look at the matrix. A22 is minus 6. A22 is minus 6, and A21 is 7. A21 is 7 minus 7. A11 is minus 2. A11 is minus 2. A22 is minus 6. A22 is minus 6. Then minus A12. A12 is 5. And A21 is 7. A21 is 7. So you are getting minus 13 by minus 20. Minus 13 by minus 20. You are getting the value of x1. Similarly, you get the value of x2. X2 equal to A11 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So denominator always same, it is minus 20, and A11 is how much? A11 is minus 2, A11 is minus 2, and A12 is minus, A12 is only 5, minus 5 is equal to minus 7 by minus 20. So minus 13 by 20, it is 7 by 20. Similarly, you calculate y1 equal to A22 minus A12 divided by divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. A22 is how much? A22 is minus 6, A12 is 5, means minus 5. Then denominator is same. So minus 11 by minus 20 is equal to 11 by 20. 11 by 20. Then you will get Y2. Y2. What is the formula of Y2? A11 minus A21 whole divided by denominator same, A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So denominator will be minus 20. Numerator A11 is equal to minus 2 and A21 is equal to 7, minus 7. So it is minus 9 by 20, minus 20, so 9 by 20. 9 by 20 we are getting here Y2. And the value of the game V is equal to, what is the formula? A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21 whole divided by same denominator A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Denominator same, minus 20, and numerator you are getting here, it won't be possible. Denominator same, minus 20, numerator same. A11 is equal to minus 2 and A22 is equal to minus 6 minus A12 is 5 and A21 is 7. So 12 and this is 35. 12, 35 is equal to 23. So minus 23 by minus 20 is equal to 23 by 20. So you are getting the value of the game minus 23 by 20, minus 23 by 20. Strategies you are getting x1, strategies you are getting x1 is equal to this is 13 by 20 x1, the value x1 equal to 13 by 20. X2 you are getting here, x2 is equal to 7 by 20 x2. Then y1 you are getting here, y1 equal to, this is y1 is equal to, you are getting the value 11 by 20 y2 also you get here, y2 is equal to here the value you are getting minus so 9 by 20 y2, and the value of game V is equal to, you are getting 23 by 20. So by following mixed strategy, you are getting the value of the game. In this way you can solve the value of the game following the mixed strategy when there will be no settle point, But in case of next day, I shall show you another problem. In such case, you will be getting the problem. Saddle point is not there, but matrix is also not 2 by 2 matrix. So how will you solve the problem through mixed strategy? In that case, you need to apply the dominant strategy. So the principle is called the dominance principle. So in case of dominance principle, since the matrix is large matrix, not 2 by 2 matrix, you need to reduce. First, you need to check the settle point, whether settle point is there or not. If you don't find the settle point, then you need to look for the mixed strategy. For mixed strategy, 2 by 2 matrix is required. If you don't find that 2 by 2 matrix is not given, then you need to reduce the matrix. So you need to see which strategies is dominating to which player. So in suppose in case of player A is finding there is one strategy where the the player A will not be able to maximize his gain. So that will be deleted. If player B, since player B is losing, so suppose player B wants to minimize the loss, but he is unable to minimize the loss, so that will be reduced. In this way, row and columns will be deleted. After deleting the row and column, you need to reduce the matrix into 2 by 2 matrix. Once you reach into the 2 by 2 matrix, then you follow this formula, put this formula and find out the value of x1, x2, y1, y2 and v. That will give you the solution of game. So this is all about game. So next class I shall discuss the dominant strategy. How will you solve the game through dominance principle or by following the dominant strategy. Thank you.